This is a hanging feeder I built for the run of my coop with parts I had laying around the house. Now, if you wanted to go to the hardware store and buy the parts to build something similar, it'd cost you about $15. Design and build your feeder to meet whatever needs you require of it. In my case, I live in Florida, so I wanted it to hang and be virtually waterproof. We get a lot of rain here. The last thing is I needed it to hold about 7 days worth of feed in case I went out of town. Aside from the lid, these are the ingredients I used to build my hanging feeder. It's a 3.5-gallon bucket, a tin can, a Tupperware container that I cut down to about 2 inches in height, and 3 bolts and 3 nuts. I put the Tupperware inside the bucket and drilled my 3 holes to ensure they'd match up. Next, I used a hole saw to drill out my center hole just big enough so the can would slide down through it. And the last step is just fitting it all together and taking it out to the coop. A few benefits of a hanging feeder are that you can position it virtually anywhere within the coop or the run, you can raise it and lower it to meet the height of your chickens, and they're virtually rainproof depending on how you build them. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw here today, check out some of my other videos about my chicken coop build, and we'll see you next time.